Hey everybody, it's Walt from Dirtfoot Racing. I bought one of the $999 Mega Moto Minibike kits from Go Power Sports, and the first box arrived today, so let's open it up and see what's in it. It probably had a third strap and kind of missing it. Oh dear, things are falling down already. So what we got here is the 212 Mega Moto that has to be assembled. It's all in pieces. So what I'm going to do also is make sure all my parts are here. So we got some instructions. Let's see what we got here. We got a seat seems to be in one piece. Let's see what we got here. Set of forks. It'll be interesting to see how they work. Let's see here. What we got? Got a bracket. I think this goes up on the front of the frame. Got another metal. This is part of the triple tree up here at the front. What we got here? Got a fender. Should be two of those. We got a box here. Some kind of stuff in it. Take a look. Must be small parts. This thing comes along with a headlight. So headlight wiring, some different brackets in there. What we got here? Got a shaft. Put that in that box. Let's close that up so I don't cut myself. What do we got here? This looks like a 30 series torque converter. Yeah, 30 series torque converter in the cover. Handlebars with the brake calipers attached, and the brake, the levers and the calipers attached on there. Let's see here. Container of axles and hardware. Looks like a kickstand, stuff like that. Let's see what else we got. Got another fender. That makes two of those. That's important. This box. Oh, the other part of the triple tree, or the triple clamps, whatever you want to, however you want to term it. Bearings. That's cool. And let's see what else we got in here. Got a frame. Another bracket. Looks like a throttle cable, possibly. Probably. This kit included the Tillotson 212 engine with electric start, and that's supposed to arrive tomorrow. So this box came actually early. It said it was going to arrive tomorrow too, but it showed up today. So that's cool. What do we got here? Cardboard. Let's lift this thing out. Oh, gee. Ball bearing in the bottom of the box. That goes too. One tire. One thing I noticed, one of the videos, Redbeard, he got his kit and the tire was mounted on the wheel backwards, which I thought the tread was supposed to go forward this way, but just an observation. So this kit's got a front and a rear brake, hydraulic. Put that over there. And the rear one. So this should go like that, because there is a jack shaft from the torque converter this way, so this one's mounted correctly. Facing the right way. Maybe it was just what I perceived it as being. And the other one. And the frame. We are going to assemble this as the kit was designed to start with. And then I have a feeling eventually I'm going to take this off and put a monoshock on this. So It's gonna be interesting, but first we're gonna put it together with a 12-volt starter and the light, the whole 9 yards, ride it that way. I've got some other people I can use for crash testing that'll ride it happily, and then from there we'll take it to the next level. So tomorrow we'll get the engine and all that stuff, open that up, and we'll show you that then too. See you guys.